What's up people, working on the Widebody E92 again today. I'm moving on to making the splitter. I'm going to be making a custom one out of polyethylene. Seems like it should be reasonably straightforward depending on what mounting bolts are underneath. Keen to get on with it. Damn it. Let's take a look under here. Well, I'm seeing some obvious mounting points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just thinking about the rigidness of the material. One layer, which is 4.5 mil, is not going to be thick enough, so I'm going to start with 2. So you can see one layer is way too floppy. 2, quite a bit more rigid. Wear gloves and every safety thing you can find. This is seriously not just gas that comes out of this. You do not want this stuff in your lungs, and it spits hot bits of burning plastic everywhere at you. Going pretty well, a few more screws to put in underneath to secure it in place, and then I'm going to cut the profile on the front. I'm going to have to use 2 extra pieces on the side because the bit of polyethylene I got wasn't quite wide enough, annoyingly. It was wide enough for the car, but not for the Widebody. It's pretty secure underneath now with 1, 2. Now looking at securing the front. Figuring out how I'm going to do the struts. That's one option, or I use these little ones. Trying to decide how I want to do this little piece, either like that or like that. I put in a couple of extender pieces, and I'm just considering what I'm going to do about the joint. I was thinking of like overlapping it, which should look okay, but I don't think I'm keen. Starting to look like something. Making pretty good progress, getting there. Starting to support everything. It's just sort of the finishing stuff now and making sure it's all stable and supported, and then putting fun details on. So I've just got a little bit more strengthening to do. I have to attach the side pieces on with a couple of brackets and put the support struts through, and maybe decide if I need more on the side.
How today social media and problems.
So the splitter needs a bit more support in the middle, so I'm just trying to figure out if I want to use more rods. It's a little much, but I think because I literally need it for practical reasons, it justifies it. So hot down there in the garage. Just trying to get a bit of wind. This is one of my other projects, landscaping. I'm going to put like a bar here so you can sit and watch the sun and the sky view and everything. that's it. One front splitter. So I still need to clean it up a little bit. It's a bit cloudy and whatever, but I'll do that in a final polishing pass with the paint and all that. Pretty happy with how it came out. I really like how, this was unintentional, but how the spikes kind of wrap around and it extrudes from inside the wide body kit. I thought the fins might be a little bit too much, but I actually do like them now. They're growing on me. They give it more of that aggressive stance and kind of brings the lines down towards the splitter, which is cool. And I do like the little details, the struts and all that stuff. So that's gonna be it for this video today. From now I'm moving on to, literally today, moving on to making the diffuser at the back and installing the spoiler. From there I'm just gonna go through and clean it up, clean the wide body kit up, do a little bit more testing, and then we'll be on to paint and tune, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.